GitHub Copilot has feature called Plan Mode. It analyzes deployment requirement and creates strategy before releasing to production. For DevOps, it's a tool for delivery confidence. Today, you will see how DevOps Engineer uses Plan Mode to plan the deployment strategy for a shopping cart feature. Let's dive in. A DevOps team deployed a feature smoothly to production. Perfect rollout, zero downtime, and yet it broke under real user load. For DevOps, the biggest risk happened during deployment. A feature works perfectly in staging, but fails in production. Wrong configuration, missing monitoring, no rollback plan. Plan Mode surfaces this risk before they become incidents. I am asking Plan Mode to think through deployment. Informed by the testing plan, I am connecting this to testing requirement. Plans should inform each other. Here is what came back. 3 environments established: dev, staging, and production. CI/CD pipeline with 8 stages. Monitoring configured with alerts. Feature flags implemented. Rollback procedures defined. Operational runbook created. Further considerations: database migration strategy, zero downtime approach, monitoring cost, data migration, production testing, incident response, case invalidation, rollback testing, and metrics retention. Without Plan Mode, DevOps teams scramble to configure requirements and monitoring during deployment. Issues surface in production when it's most costly. With Plan Mode, it surfaces infrastructure and operational requirement upfront. DevOps reviews dependencies, iterate on deployment strategy, and create a release runbook that ensure safe, confident rollout. This is how DevOps uses Plan Mode for delivery confidence. This deployment plan becomes release runbook, ready for safe, confident rollout. Next time, when you are preparing a deployment, ask yourself, do I want to deploy fast or deploy safely with confidence? If this was useful, like and subscribe. Drop your DevOps question below. I respond to everyone.